The Apple Watch includes a safety feature built in called water lock. What water lock does is locks the screen so that if you accidentally touch it, or if it gets wet and thinks that you're touching it, it'll ignore the touch. Also, when you go to turn off water lock, it'll vibrate the built-in speakers of the Apple Watch, removing any water that may be there. This isn't a bad feature to enable if you're going to be working out and getting sweaty, and automatically will turn on if you're tracking a swimming workout. And another thing that may have gotten you here to this video is you may have accidentally turned on water lock and you have no idea what's going on. To get started, let's enable water lock. From the home screen of your watch, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Scroll down until you see the water droplet icon, and then select it. At this point, your Apple Watch is going to be in water lock mode. You can tell by the water droplet here at the top of the screen. You can try and tap or swipe anywhere on the screen and you'll see that nothing's going to happen. When you're finished with your workout, want to exit water lock mode, or you have no idea how you got there in the first place, you can easily exit one of two ways. Some models will have you turn the crown dial on the side until you see the water droplet grow and then open. Or on models like mine, all you have to do is press and hold the crown until it opens. Your watch will then vibrate, getting rid of any of the water that may have collected inside the speaker area. And after that, your watch will be out of water lock mode and back to normal. And that's how you turn on and off water lock mode on an Apple Watch.